Here is how to select Best Mutual Funds 2023. Selecting the best mutual funds involves a combination of careful research and consideration of your investment goals and risk tolerance. Here are some steps to help you in the process. 1. Define your investment goals. Determine your financial objectives, such as saving for retirement, funding education, or purchasing a home. Clarify your time horizon, risk tolerance, and the amount you are willing to invest. 2. Research different mutual funds. Look for funds that align with your investment goals. Consider factors such as fund category, investment strategy, fund manager's experience, historical performance, expense ratio, and fund size. Websites, financial publications, and fund company websites can provide information and tools to assist your research. 3. Assess historical performance. Review the fund's performance over different time periods. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, it can give you an idea of how the fund has performed relative to its peers and benchmark indices. 4. Analyze risk and volatility. Evaluate the fund's volatility and risk profile. Look at metrics such as standard deviation, beta, and Sharpe ratio to assess how the fund has performed in relation to its benchmark and the overall market. Consider whether the fund's risk level is suitable for your risk tolerance. 5. Consider expense ratios. Expense ratios represent the annual fees charged by the fund, which can impact your returns. Lower expense ratios are generally preferred, as they allow more of your investment to grow over time. Compare expense ratios with other funds in the same category to ensure they are reasonable. Remember that diversification is key to managing risk in your investment portfolio. Consider spreading your investments across different asset classes and fund categories to create a well-balanced portfolio. It's important to note that investing in mutual funds involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Therefore, make sure to conduct thorough research and consider your personal circumstances before making any investment decisions. Can you think of any more important point? Leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.